Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 186 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. In dealing with the railway staff, I think there is no question of greater importance than that of assuring the class 4th staff of a prospect of continuous advancement in proportion to their merit. Now, the Railway Inquiry Committee referred to this matter about 8 years ago. I scan the Railway Board's report every year in order to see what progress has been made in this matter and how far training has been provided for the staff and new avenues of promotion opened out to them. But I am disappointed year after year. I am therefore glad to learn that the Railway Minister is attending to this question. I have no time, sir, to refer to the recommendations of the Railway Inquiry Committee because I have got only 6.5 minutes more, but I should request him to place the recommendations of that committee and the estimates committee before the committee that he has appointed. One of the most important recommendations made by the Railway Inquiry Committee was that efforts should be made to make every member of Class 4 staff literate. All our workers should be literate just as all our soldiers are. And although education is not the responsibility of the railways, yet I think that it will be in the interest of the railways themselves if they attend to the education of their workers. Now, sir, I come to one or two general questions which I think are of great importance. The burden on the railway board is increasing year after year. It has been increasing for 6 or 7 years almost now. Yet the size of the board remains what it was. I know that some additional members were appointed by the railway minister last year in order to help the members of the railway board. I personally do not think that this was a satisfactory method of dealing with the problem of increased work. I hold the view that it is better to increase the strength of the board than to add to the number of officers. I should, however, like to know how far this experiment has succeeded. The railway minister has not said a word about it in his budget speech, although it is a matter of great importance. I should also like to know what the status of these additional members will be in the setup of the railways.